Today is March 25th, and Katie is doing her own makeup. Hi, Katie. What are you doing?
I'm putting makeup on. I'm getting ready.
Where are you going?
I have to go somewhere.
Okay.
I gotta see somebody.
Okay. Let me see your face. Are you done with your makeup yet?
Nope.
Okay, we'll come back and check with you in a few minutes, okay?
Okay.
Well, Katie? Wow, you look beautiful.
Thanks.
You did your makeup by yourself? Did you want to let your hair down now?
No. I still gotta get ready. I had to go meet somebody.
Oh, well, why don't you come meet Uncle Johnny and Uncle Greg are here? Why don't you see what they think about your beautiful makeup? Okay?
Who cares about me?
They care about you.
No, they don't.
Sure they do. Go ask them. Let's go.
You are just looking
A little
fabulous.
Alana.
Oh, Katie, you look like a movie star.
I look like Barbie.
You do look like Barbie.
Because he has lots of sticks.
Lots of.
Katie, tell Uncle Greg and Uncle Johnny you went to their house. What did you see there?
I saw all the fish.
Really?
See animals?
Yeah. But I don't like the deer.
You didn't like the deer?
No.
What about the pig? Oh dear.
I like it.
You like the pig?
Yeah.
He looks mean, doesn't he?
Sarah Mackerel? Good eating fish.
He
Wait,
looks
that's the first time we heard.
Total tans on the boys from
No, he doesn't.
Cabo.
Deer. Why don't you like the deer?